Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Latch Strike Flush for CHG, Component Hardware Group, part #W38-1000. The Latch Strike Flush from Component Hardware Group, CHG, is a heavy-duty, commercial-grade door latch and strike designed for use in high-traffic areas. The latch is made of stainless steel and features a deadlocking design that prevents tampering. The strike is made of zinc-plated steel and has a flat face for easy installation. The latch and strike are designed to fit standard door frames and are suitable for use with doors up to 1 3/8 thick. The W38-1000 latch and strike flush from CHG is ideal for commercial applications such as restaurants, hotels. This part fixes the following symptoms. The CHG W38-1000 latch and strike flush is designed to provide a secure closure for doors and drawers. It can be used to replace existing latches or as a new installation. The latch and strike flush helps to prevent accidental opening of doors and drawers, as well as providing a secure closure. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by preparing the door frame for installation. Measure the distance between the door jamb and the door edge, then mark the center of the door jamb. 2. Use a drill to make a hole in the center of the marked area, making sure that it is large enough to fit the latch and strike flush. 3. Place the latch and strike flush into the hole, making sure that it is level with the door jamb. Secure it in place with screws provided in your kit. 4. Install the strike plate on the opposite side of the door frame, making sure that it is aligned with the latch. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.